Hi guys, in this video, I will respond to the allegations. A guy showed up and said, "You are a scam, you did reverse engineering with my software, and you didn't even do it with my code, but the visuals." First thing first, you can't reverse engineering with visuals. You need code. I will show you what are the differences between his software and mine. First thing first, I made a script to count my project's Python lines. There is 154 files and more than 45,000 code lines. And this is the project. As you can see, there is no even one single web code. This is a whole different project. You can say he is inspired or stole the idea, but you can't say this is scam. But because the guy thinks he is doing rocket science, he couldn't believe I made a software with totally different algorithms and with a totally different technologies. I just downloaded his software, and I will compare the two softwares. I wanted to record the first opening, and it's crazy to using web development technologies and have this kind of trashy user interface. Because my project can open and index Ren'Py projects, I thought this can import projects too. But I could not open a project or see any scripts panel, as you will see. The software asked a JSON file, but I have not. I'm trying to learn the software, because this is my first time looking at the software. And these guys should learn what is padding. I'm creating a test character, and while doing that, I couldn't understand nothing. And I will show you this feature in my software too. You will see there is no similarities. Then I tested it a bit of more. There is 19 node types in this, but in my software there is 41. Now we will look at my software. First thing first, my software works only with Ren'Py projects, not individual scripts. There is auto-parsing algorithms in my project. You can see any project as node graph. Now you can see there is no similarities between my software and his software. As I said before, he coded with web, but I coded with Python. As you can see, there is tons of feature, but I didn't even count them in the store page. But if we look at their store page, you can see they said even updates as feature. You can see there is features called corrections to export, play button, and it's make me laugh there is even reordered toolbar in the feature list. And because there is no feature in its software, he even typed toolbar again. If I wanted to put these kind of things into the feature list, you would see hundreds of features. Now we can turn back to my software. And you can see I even index the script files, and you can search scripts in the project and open it. And you can see there is even custom node called Do Once from Unreal Engine. There is if conditioning and much more, so I didn't even know the guy exist. There is no even single line of code stolen. No inspiration, no imitation. He thinks he is doing rocket science, so no one can do a better thing than him. I don't know why did people believed I stole some code from a random guy. I didn't steal anything, and there is no even single proof except his words. One of the thing that he said is you didn't make any visual novel, but if you look at my showreel, you can see there is. I just wanted to make a Ren'Py visual programming tool, and a random guy just said you stole my code and ruined my potential sales. All my effort gone nothing. If you have any proof from technical perspective, show me. Just a liar, throwing blame on an innocent man. People are criticizing me for using AI voice, but my English isn't good enough for speaking. If you'd like to hear me speak Turkish, you can check out my other videos. By the way, I made other tools for my own visual novel project, but I will not share them. This is a tool for editing locations, adding character buttons, etc. As you can see, I don't need to steal anything. See you in the next crazy project for Ren'Py, Godot Engine, or Unreal Engine. I'm planning to make a visual programming tool for verse language for Unreal Engine 6. See you later.